good work tips when doing curved dormers. The bottom of the notch will be where we have a plate which will go on top of the double-headed dormer cheek. That'll hold that in. And when that's in, I like to level up where my uprights are going to be, like so. And then that way I can cut a noggin in between and I can screw it all together. That will hold it up with the balance. And then when we've done this, we can find the centre point of the underside of our curved dormer and we can level across. And when we level across, that'll give our trimmer point. And when we've got our trimmer point, we can work out what our trimmer is going to be. In this case, it's a double. We can measure back. That allows us to get that right, so the underside will follow right through. And then when you come into the inside of the curved dormer, we will put everything up with a sheet of ply, and then we can mark it from them points. Taking into consideration that you've got noggins to go in between the ply to stiffen it up. So you can quite easily get the top of the measurements, but just allow for the noggins to be on the inside, so the ceiling line, or the plasterboard line, will be a noggin down from those timber rafter timbers, and that way you can form your curve. Or you can get a long bit of timber and put a pencil on it, and you can draw the curve round at the top, and you can do it the underside. That will allow you to get your curve. Good work tips.